Say man. It's your boy 901 Trey back at again with another video. So today it's gonna be quick, it's gonna be simple. I got something new for the G8. I got some new LED diffuser lights. And I'm gonna be installing them today. I'm not at home right now, as y'all can see. I'm in my semi truck. So whenever I get home today, y'all, I'm gonna be installing them on my diffuser. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and drop a comment down below in this video. And I basically got them off of eBay for like 30 to 40 some dollars. And please make sure to hit that notification bell, like, share, subscribe. And it's your boy 901 Trey tuning out with another video. Let's get the diffuser lights in. I know it's daytime right now. Probably when I get back home, it's gonna be night. So please make sure to tune into the video. And we out, you dig?
Y'all can see, I'm about to get ready and put my diffuser lights in. And the diffuser light is right here. I'm gonna still run the stock tail lights. I don't want those. I'm gonna just sell those and get the other ones I really wanted with the bar in it. I have the GXP diffuser, and this is the old one. That's the old one, and this is the new one. So I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like with the new one and with the old one in. So I want to show y'all that, you know, it's like right here where the clip is. So you got your screw part, you got your hole. For the ones that don't know, you got your hole. And man, you just sit it in place. And let it push it in through. And you get your screw. Once you screw your back on, it should be A1. And give me a second, I'm gonna screw it in, then I'll turn y'all back on. But that's how the new one look. And this is how the old factory one look. It just got a tint on it. That's how it's gonna look coming out the back side. That's gonna go up through your bumper to your tail light. And you're gonna wire it up. I'll show y'all how to wire it up too. So as y'all see, I got it all wired in. I got it sent through right here. So I went to AutoZone. I got the little kit. If you want to know which one, it's this right here, the T-taps. I think it went number like $7, y'all. So y'all go get that, splice into that black one and that purple one off of the main plug, and you be good. Make sure you got these. So if you need to take your diffuser off or, you know, something like that, to swap it out, get painted, you can just unplug these and pull it right out. And the lights is on. I still got the film on it, and it look, man, real good, real clean, sleek look. So I still got to do this side. I know y'all probably can't see it because I got my light on, but just like that. And I'm gonna clean the wires up once I put the diffuser back on, and I'm gonna give y'all a finished look. I had a look with the tail light on. All right. So how I did it was, y'all see right here, you got the tap, you got this pin that's black, that's on the driver's side, and for the other side it's purple for your positive. So ride it in like that. And the passenger side different. Of course, you got the black wire, but the bottom, you're gonna look for this brown wire that's got this white line on it. And man, shit, that's it. That's all she wrote. And you just gotta send it up through the bumper, come through the hole right here where the tail light be at, and fasten it up with a zip tie. And shit, that's it.